What would you consider as some of the signature highlights of this budget?
The customs overall, some of which have been, several of them have been mentioned in this budget, but there are several which couldn't be mentioned for want of time, and also the fact that there are few more which will carry on further. So the complete overall of customs is a major signature, and of course as a reform that. But looking at the frontier areas, investing in them, promoting R&D.
So you're projecting a nominal GDP growth of 10%. What is your outlook for inflation and your estimate for the real GDP in 26-27?
I think we've indicated it very clearly in the budget. I'm very sure that inflation will remain within the tolerance band, and therefore inflation doesn't have to worry us much. And everything therefore looks at it from the point of view of if there is a deflator which is going to remain low and stable, it will have an impact on your estimates.
Yes. No, you know, if you look at the GDP growth in the last 2 quarters, 8% has been impressive. Do you think that we can sustain this like China did for many years, an 8% growth? Do you think India can do that in the longer term to be able to grow at the clip that we are hoping it to achieve?
Yes, and that is why the stability of the government and also the policy of the government matter.
Okay. And do you think what is feasible for India, considering that the nominal GDP has been on a decline since FY22? So where do you see the nominal GDP going in the next couple of years?
I strongly believe once the fund flows come in, because all of the factors are strong, all of the factors have really been the strength of India. So your macroeconomic is, I mean, 2 days ago we had this news report saying foreign exchange reserves have touched and crossed 700 billion.
Yes.
So you have every indicator doing well. So what is that one thing which can make a difference? That one factor which can make a difference, and this is common knowledge, is if there is more funds flowing into India, that itself will give us a big relief. And for that, those who went out also went out booking profits.
Right.
So India will have to draw a lot more funds for investments in India.